Hey, David here. We're visiting a new slow stick modification. It's pretty exciting. This is a twin slow stick, counter-rotating motors. My buddy Pete over here brought one of these out the other day. He modified the carbon fiber arrow shaft slow stick and put two motors on it, counter-rotating, with the idea of taking the camera or removing the prop from the camera view a little bit and putting the motors out. I watched it fly and I was so impressed with the way it looked. I decided I needed to build one. So we're out here today. I haven't flown this yet, but I'm excited to give it a try. It's super windy, but you know what? I'm not gonna let it stop me. You can see everything's blowing around here, and even the plane. When I put the wing on, I know it's just gonna wanna fly away. If you're interested in something like this, go ahead and check out the links in the description. I'll also include Pete's original design down in the links below. So if you can check out what he's got, pretty darn cool. Before we take this thing out to fly, I just want to cover a few things on it. Now, this is the original GWS slow stick. I know they're kind of hard to find or hard to get, but you can go to the link down below. I have the plans, all the STL files, so you can build one of these. All you'll have to do is source some very simple parts, including the foam board, and there is templates to build the wing, the tail, and everything you need. And then I'll also have a link to, if you're interested in doing the twin version, it's very simple, two parts. The nose plate for the battery tray and the landing gear mounting, as well as the mount for the motors. You'll have to source a stick. Now this stick here and the holes designed for it is the exact same diameter as the main boom on the slow stick, which is a 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter or 10 millimeters by 10 millimeters square. You can see my other videos if you want to learn more about the slow stick and the builds that you can do there. But for now, let's go ahead and put this together. We're going to ground test it. I have not flown this yet, so we're going to experience this maiden flight together. Okay, with the battery installed, I usually put my fingers under the highest point of the wing underneath, try to balance it there. And that's a good starting point. So with the twin motors, I was a little worried about how it would balance, but these are a little smaller motors than I would typically run on a single motor slow stick. And they're moved back a little bit towards the leading edge of the wing. And I just hope this wind is cooperative here. It's gonna be an interesting flight. So as always, I like to do a little ground testing, just to make sure that it's gonna ground handle, steering's right, everything, motor's working the right way. There we go. And with the slow stick, your rudder is the aileron channel. So that's the only difference. I'm not doing any differential thrust on these motors right now. They're just equal. Wow, I'm pretty excited. This thing's just gonna cook, I think. Oh yeah. Other than it being a little windy, I think this is gonna be great. So just a little bit about these motors. These are some old motors I had in the drawer. They are 2208-17 and 1100 kV, which is a great target for about an 8-inch prop. Now, I've just gotta keep it out of the sun and take off into the wind here. So, and the idea is that this will remove the torque that you get from a single motor. Whoa, that is awesome. I didn't get any twist. So typically with a single large motor, you'll get torque from that motor, and we often counter it with right and down thrust. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Even with this wind, this feels really good. I'll just do a little flyby and it's totally under control. Maybe this is a windy option for a slow stick. Awesome. Oh, I can't wait to put a camera on this thing. So next week, hopefully next week, if we get time, this will be FPV twin slow stick, so stay tuned. Oh my gosh, vertical climb. And I'm at half throttle, under half throttle. Oh yeah, this is gonna be great. Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Just lands right in, even with that wind. All right, here we go. Look at that climb out.
Wow.
A little windy.
Yep.
All right. So the takeoff and flying around is well under half throttle. And I just have to say this turned out and flies better than I had hoped or expected. And I would recommend this. I'm really excited to try this with the camera gear underneath it. And I think it's gonna be a great platform to fly. So, hope you enjoy this. And if you do, give it a like, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And as always, just get out there and fly. And thanks for watching.
Bye.